Hi, so I'm going to show you the steps for the Any Man of Mine by Shania Twain, and it's a very easy line dance. It's all about the sound of your boots, so it's very advisable that you have your boots on. There's a lot of variation in this, but this is the most simple steps for that song. So let me turn my back and I'll show you step by step. So you point to your step, you start with your right foot, point your toes, make a noise, and kick your heel and stomp. Same thing with your left, toe, heel, stomp. We'll do that 4 times. So ready? 1, 2, stomp, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp. Okay, so you're moving forward just a little bit. So your right foot is free. You step 1, 2. Okay, right, left. And then you step again with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a shuffle. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's do that from the top. Toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we'll do the grapevine to your right. Step, cross to your left, and step. Scuff. Step again to your left, cross right, step, and turn. 2, 3. So you do a quarter turn to your left. So here's the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now we're starting the dance again. So toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So let's do it again from the top. And after we go from each wall, you can just go back and click that link below. Here we go. Toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. Heel, go. Heel, heel. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video so you can follow me with the music. Okay? Appreciate your thumbs up. I'll see you there. Bye.